Hey everyone, welcome to my video on how to download Java JDK 14 for Windows 10. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in Java JDK download in your favorite web browser, and then you will see the first link here, oracle.com. You will click on this and you will go to JDK download, because you can see here you have 14. You have previous versions down here like 11, but we're downloading 14. So just click on JDK download. It gives you the license update, and then you just go and find the right package or archive and installer. So you have these for Linux, Mac OS, and then Windows. Here you have Windows x64, which is Windows 10. So you'll click here to download the executable file. You say you have reviewed and accepted the agreement, and then you can begin your download. Right, now that it has been successfully downloaded, you can either click it in the bottom of your taskbar here, or you can go to downloads and just click on the executable. Here I have one because I've downloaded before. You will get this message, yes, you want it to make changes, and now while it installs, you basically just leave everything as default. The default location is program files, Java, JDK. This is where we'll put all your JDKs that you download. Next, and then have it download. So now we have the Java development kit installed, and so if we want to use it, we would actually have to go to the bin folder of where it is downloaded, or where we installed it. So this is in program files, Java JDK 14, and then bin. So this is where we can execute things. So if I copied this and I change directory to there, now I can run javac and press do version, and I can see we were doing using javac 14.0.1. But if I go back and I use javac-version here, it's not a recognized command. Or if I do that anywhere, like say I do just anywhere else where I run this command, it won't know where that is. So let me say, open up another command prompt, javac version. It's not recognized. And so what we have to do to fix this is we have to add it to the path variable, because if not, we'd only be able to run it in the bin folder. And so to do that, we will go to edit, system and environmental variables. So right here. And we will want to go here to system variables, and we will do new, or sorry, go to, click on path here in system variables, click edit, then do new, paste in the location, press OK, and now it should work. So if I do javac, or I'll have to open up a new terminal, but so open up a new terminal so it can refresh, do -version, and you can see I have 14. But say a common issue that people have with this is, so I have another JDK that's downloaded. I have JDK 12, for example. And so if I take this and I place this also in the environmental variables, so once again I can run it anywhere in my computer. So I do new again, paste this, okay. Now if I go to the command prompt or open up another one so it refreshes, I do javac-version, I'm still 14. What if I want to use 12? Well, you can specify it in the command prompt, but if you want to consistently use it, what you should do is you should just make sure that in your environmental variables here that it is on top of 14 or above it, because anything, basically when you run from this environmental variables, what is found first, so in this order, is what will be run. So if I want 12 to run instead, I can do move up, and now you can see it's above 14. And so you press OK, OK again. Let's open up a new terminal. Now if I do javac-version, you can see I'm using 12. And so this can be used with 14 as well. So for example, if you already have 12 installed and you want to use 14, do the same process with that. All right, thank you.